My name is Second Sergeant Justin Ng. Yeah, I'm a naval diver from the Naval Diving Unit.
Hi, my name is Mohan. I'm a boat engineer from a naval diving unit.
My role at this year's NDP is I'm part of the underwater security sweep team, where we'll be conducting security searches in the water around the floating platform.
So as an engineer, we are making sure our crafts are ready for their mission to go on.
What we do is that we actually go dive into the water to look out for hazardous devices or objects that could potentially jeopardize the divers who are performing the helicast at this year's National Day Parade, as well as the spectators who are coming for the show.
I'm in charge of CCM, which is called the Combatant Craft Medium. My job is to make sure it's mission ready, making sure my craft status, my engineering portion, my steering portion is all are good to go. Once we conduct the system check, then I will hand over my craft to my superiors to conduct their checks and seal off for the NDP shows. When we sail out at sea, we may encounter defects which are unknown to us. That's the point of time our critical thinking will involve, and we have to make decisions and inform our boat coxswains what are the next steps, whether this craft able to sail, or we have to make a contingency plan.
Water is actually our element as a diver. However, it's also the most challenging aspect of our job, because in Singapore, we do not have the luxury of crystal clear water. Many a times when we go into the water, we have very poor visibility. We are unable to use our sense of sight. We can only use our sense of touch to really understand the conditions and the situation underwater. However, we are trained to dive in a zero visibility condition, so I'm more than confident we'll be able to complete our job successfully. Sometimes when we are lucky, we actually get to see marine animals as well. So if I see any, I'll let you know later. I think that everybody has a part to play in this year's NDP. So I have done my part as a performer last year as a Navy Guard of Honor contingent member. So this year I think it's nice to try something new.
If my job doesn't exist, so won't be any TDD, high-speed chase for this year NDP. And there will be no show for you.
I'm looking forward to the 9th of August because it's our nation's birthday and it's also a public holiday.